When it comes to Jamaican cuisine, there's one recipe that you have to include in the most popular dishes cooked in our home and food industries: Jamaican curry chicken. Welcome back YouTube. In today's video, I'm showing you how to make a proper Jamaican curry chicken. I'm sharing with you my recipe, packed with flavor and as usual, seasoned to the bone. Now, curry chicken is a staple in our national cuisine, but everyone has their special way to make it. But today, I'm sharing with you my method. Alright, so stay tuned. First things first, I'm using lime and vinegar to wash off the rawness. This helps to improve the taste of your food as well. So rinse clean, strain, and then we dry off any excess water with some paper towel before seasoning. But cleanliness is the first seasoning. Always keep that in mind. Now time to build up the flavor. I'm using a selection of dry ingredients: black pepper, all-purpose seasoning, garlic powder, Old Bay seasoning, adobo, curry powder, and ginger powder. And the key ingredient today is this fresh blend green seasoning. This is one of my homemade recipes as well. Comment down below if you think I should make a video on this as well. Now massage that seasoning into the chicken, making sure every piece of chicken gets coated up nicely, because if the seasoning not rubbed in, the flavor can't lock in. Alright, so take a look at that beauty, guys. Seasoned to the bone. Now, time to prep up the onion, the garlic, thyme, scallion, likewise some carrots, some Irish potato to stretch out the gravy, also to give it some vibrant color as well. All of these are essential ingredients in curry chicken. You can always add your little twist to it as much as you like. Good amount of fresh thyme as mentioned. You're definitely gonna need a nice hot pepper as well. The scallion, I store these in the freezer just to keep them fresh and green. This is the step that separates the rookies from the real chef them. Burning the curry is a must. Just a little vegetable oil. I'm using some of the onion and the garlic, then sprinkle the curry into that. Make it fry out until it starts to smell rich and fragrant. No raw curry around here. Pimento seed is a well-known spice in our cuisine as well, so you may notice I use them a lot in majority of my videos. Make sure to check out my other videos on my channel as well, and if you make it this far, don't forget to leave a like on this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't as yet, and also voice your thought in the comment section. I want to hear back from the viewers as well. Now watch the transformation here. I'm placing each piece of chicken in the pot. You can dump the whole thing inside if you like, but we want to sear them nicely, then cover it up and make sure the curry sweat out the seasoning and build up the natural juices. May I tell you, the smell alone, guys, can wake up the whole entire neighborhood, trust me. And after 10 minutes, I drop in the carrots, the Irish potatoes, and the balance of fresh chopped seasoning and some hot water. Now I'm going to make everything simmer down nice and slow. Cover the pot and just bring it to a boil. Here I'm adding some coconut milk for that tropical flavor, and this is an optional item, but it does make a difference, trust me. Now look at that gravy, thick, rich, and the consistency look perfect. The smell that is emerging from this with that coconut flavor, the curry and all that spice, all that flavor, guys, trust me, this is a must try. White rice steaming, perfect combination for this. Now I'm gonna turn on the flame and leave this for a few more minutes, then we're good to go. Alright my people, so another beautiful finish again, guys. As you can see, let's take a look at this. You know what I mean, real quick dinner today. So let me just see how the finish. Mouth a drip water, but sorry. Excellent. Yeah, most definitely guys. Fantastic finish. Thank you guys again for tuning in. Hope you enjoyed this as much as I did, and see you in the next one.